kids! Welcome to Genius Playhouse!
Hello kids, welcome back to our channel Genius Playhouse. And in this video we are going to explore the animal world, and here in this video we will learn about the farm animals. Here we have water in which we will wash our animals. So let us add some color to the water. Oh, it looks so cool, isn't it? Yeah, let me mix them. Oh, wow. Our water is turned light blue in color. Ooh, so nice. So let's learn the farm animals' names. So the first animal is going to be, it's a hen. Hen lays egg. And how many of you eat omelette which is made using egg? Let's wash this dirty hen so that it becomes beautiful. Whoa, it's so nice. It's a hen. Let's pick our next animal, and that is a pet animal. It's a dog. What a cute puppy you are. Wow, but you have become so dirty. So even you need a wash. So let's wash you also. Oh, washing the dirty animals makes them clean. Let's see which is going to be the next animal. Any guesses? Oh, this is the next animal. It's a camel. Camel is generally found in desert. So our camel goes in water so that it becomes clean. Camel. Let's pick our next animal, and that is going to be a really cute one. It's a duckling. Wow, you're so adorable. Let's wash him also. It's a duckling. Let's pick the next animal, and that is a really cute one. It's a rabbit, white color rabbit. Rabbits are of different color. They love to eat carrot. It has become dirty, so let's wash him also. Rabbit. Next farm animal is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool, which is used to make sweaters. It's a white color sheep. So you have sheep of different color, black color, brown color, white sheep. So let's wash him. Our next animal is going to be a cat. Cat is a pet animal. Our cat is so beautiful, but it has become dirty. So let's wash him also. It's a cat. Our next animal is a cow. It's my favorite animal. Which is your favorite animal? And I have two such cows. You see, they give us milk, and that's why I love them more. So let's wash our cows. Let's see if there are any more animal left. Oh, there is one more duckling. So let's wash him also. Oh, here we go. So it's a duckling. And with this we have washed all our animals.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe Genius Playhouse.